So this is what I pretty much did for section 5.6 of CodeHS. Going into the first one, the park scene, we just had the camera. So first, before this, we were just editing the camera and getting used to the camera being in all different formations and stuff. And then we created a camera script. You can see where you set it to follow your player model. This is a script here real quick. It's pretty simple. Just has the camera transform position and offset when it's attached to a player. And you can see here, we're in. It's following the player and stuff and walking around in a third person type of view. If you look in the top corner, you can see another map, and this is the map camera. It's set up by using a orthographic projection view and rotating the X value 90 degrees. It just gives that kind of bird's eye view of your game, and you can see your player walking around. The viewport react is just where that minimap is on the screen. So now going into the two-player kind of park map, we got to make sure we add our camera follow script to both cameras, and you can attach your cameras to each character if you want. So, you create another player 2 camera and attach it to him, but I don't think it's necessary. And then you can see they're kind of here just walking around. I do have to note that we did update our scripts, but it was very minor, and I had some errors at first. It was kind of bugging out, so I just switched it back to normal and it was working again. Lastly, going into kind of our city scene, we had to implement 3 different cameras, one for the player in third person view, one for the kind of this view right here, which is just a different angle view of the map, and then one orthographic kind of map view that can be seen in the player screen. Just make sure you keep that rotation at 90 when doing kind of a map camera for your game. And then also make sure to have your camera follow on and set it to the player when you're doing the third person game. You don't have to, but it works. So now we're in game, and you can see these 3 maps right here. The bottom left is the small map. The top right is the kind of map camera, and you can see my player in each of the camera perspectives walk around and move around the map. Which is all pretty cool, and I think it's definitely something I'll add in my own custom game that we'll be making later this semester.